Hi, I'm Dr. Jennifer Wolf. I practice gynecologic oncology at Virginia Mason Franciscan Health. Especially with gynecologic oncology, we really get to take care of every aspect and make them feel safe and secure that they're getting the best care and that nothing is falling through the cracks. I'd say you really have to trust your surgeon and trust your team. And so I do my best to make them feel comfortable, feel heard. Because a lot of the concern and the insecurity about it is just not knowing what's coming. And so I think talking to women about what the possibilities are, telling them that they don't have to have the first option that I talked to them about, and really helping them to be a part of their care and to be more comfortable with what route we're choosing. So a lot of my patients really appreciate that they don't have to stay in the hospital, because I appreciate working here, but they don't necessarily want to stay here. And so I get to do robotic surgeries for a lot of my cases, which means I get to fix the problem, make them feel better, but they get to go home with just 5 small incisions on their belly and feeling much better even the next day.